How to add multiple Instagram accounts on one device. So all you have to do is to choose your device that you're going to add a multiple Instagram accounts on. So let's say this device. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go here to your Instagram application immediately. Now, let's say you've already logged into one account and you want to add multiple accounts. So you just want to switch accounts from time to time. So to do that is on the bottom part here, you will see these options, right? These five options. So all you have to do is to click on your profile and it will lead you here to your profile section, right? Now on the upper left, you will see your name or your Instagram name. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that. And here this will pop out. So for me, I already have multiple accounts on my Instagram, right? As you can see here. Now, to be able to do that is on the bottom part, you will see the option add Instagram account. So you just have to click on that. And since you just want to add a multiple Instagram account, so let's say you already have an existing account, then you click on log into existing account. Or if you still don't have a new account, then what you're gonna do is create a new account. So for this tutorial, you're just gonna log into existing account. So here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just have to put the phone number or the username or the email of the Instagram application and then tap on the password. Input or fill out everything on that and then tap on login. So for me, I just want to connect it directly to my Facebook account. So tap on this. There you have it. And that is how you add multiple Instagram accounts on one device. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.